Welcome to GEESYS Technologies. GEESYS Technology have been manufacturing servo voltage stabilizer for the last 15 years. We have been manufacturing different range of servo voltage stabilizers. Today we are going to see 5kVA servo control voltage stabilizer single phase. This is 5kVA single phase servo voltage stabilizer made for a particular customer requirement. This 5kVA servo stabilizer has the input voltage range from 140 volt to 270 volt and it gives a output voltage of 230 volt with a regulation of plus or minus 1%. GEESYS makes servo control voltage stabilizer are completely type tested by Enable approved laboratory. GEESYS servo control voltage stabilizer has the few special features than the market offerings. There are major 4 benefits than the competitors whatever they provide. Number 1 benefit is we have a microcontroller based motherboard which continuously monitors the input and output voltages and continue to give the constant voltage at the output, and also it records the error log. And the second benefit, all our servo stabilizers comes with the input MCB protected, so that in case of any short circuit overload it will be protecting the complete servo and your load. And third, we will have a inbuilt bypass switch, so in case of any problem within the servo stabilizer you can bypass it and have your load running on. And the fourth benefit is all of our servo control voltage stabilizer comes with a series transformer that is also called as the buck boost transformers. So GEESYS will never use a double winding auto transformers because that's not reliable in terms of longer running, and also the reliability becomes a big question. So these are the major 4 benefits. And also we have one of the good features in our servo stabilizers, all of our assembly from motor to the variac auto transformer are welded. We don't use fasteners or we don't use insulators to connect this. In a longer running we won't get wear and tear, and we won't also get affected due to loose connection. So that will be the one of the major features in a servo stabilizers. We will see how to install the servo stabilizer on your residence or to your machines. So here this is the back side of the servo stabilizers. If you see the back side, we have provided input MCB for complete safety of overload and short circuit. We have provided a bypass switch. In case of any problem in the stabilizer, we can use this bypass switch to directly connect your load to EB. So here we have provided, this is output circuit. This is the input cable. This cable should be connected to your input side. Wherever you have MCBs or switch sockets can be connected directly. From here you have to take the cable and connect it to your load. Since it is 5 kVA, this 5 kVA can handle up to 17.4 amps as continuous load. This servo stabilizer is manufactured with CRCA metal enclosure. This enclosure is powder coated after proper 7-tank pre-treatment process. In this enclosure we have provided insulated base to keep it on your residence or the any place which is insulated. Our enclosures has the proper air ventilations. So on left side and right side of the complete cabinet has the air louvers which will be useful to dissipate the heat while running, and also it has the lifting provision. In case if you want to shift the servo stabilizer, you can use this lift and transit the stabilizers. This is the internal view of the servo voltage stabilizers. This 5 kVA servo stabilizer, majorly it has the 9 components. We will just show you this working principle and the components of the servo stabilizers. This particular servo stabilizer has almost 9 components in major. So I'll explain you one by one. This is the input cable. This cable is connected to a MCB. MCB takes care of the safety about the servo stabilizers. Through the MCB we are getting power to the transformers. This transformers is controlled by variac. This variac again controlled by the servo motor. This motor takes this control signal from motherboard, that is microcontroller based processor. So this microcontroller based processor will takes the input voltage and also takes the output voltage and also measure the load current being used through the servo stabilizers. So all this data will be taken by the motherboard and it process and it gives the signals to the motor to make the motor forward or make the motor to reverse. So in case of you have a low voltage, this will be move forward to boost the voltage to a 230 volt, and in case of high voltage it will move in reverse direction to buck the voltage to 230. So that direction of the movement will be controlled by the motherboard. This servo motor is connected to a variac through gear mechanism. This variac has the carbon brush moving over the variac to adjust the input voltage and give a continuous constant voltage at the output. So this complete servo stabilizer is completely connected through a relay. In case of any problem, this relay will be energized to on or off the stabilizer. So in case of we have under voltage or over voltage or overload issue, this relay will trips off the complete load and displays the alarm. If everything is okay, then the relay energized to on, and then the servo is continues to feed the constant voltage to the output. At GEESYS we have wide range of servo voltage stabilizers in single phase application. This servo stabilizer is made for 140 to 270 range. The same 5 kVA can be manufactured between 110 volt to 300 voltage range. Between this voltage range, we could able to select and give you the right product. So reach GEESYS Technology to get high quality product at affordable price, and this is 100% type tested product. Will give you the peace of mind, and it will safeguard your equipment against voltage fluctuation or any kind of power quality issues. Reach GEESYS, be safe and safeguard your equipment. Thank you.